Hello everyone, this video will show how to factor this given expression right here using substitution. To use substitution on this, we will let u equals this expression right here, which is next to the b, which in this case is 5 to the power 2x. And our u squared then from here, we can go ahead and say that 5 to the 2x is our u. So we're going to square this. So our u squared is 5 to the power 4x, which pretty much is this one right here. So we can go ahead and rewrite this given expression in terms of u. So I'm going to go ahead and say that the first one here is u squared. I got that from here. 5 to the 4th x is our u squared. Then we have a plus 2. And then this expression right here that I placed in circle is u. So that is plus 2u minus 3. So we're going to go ahead and factor this given expression right here in terms of u. So we're going to use box and diamond to factor this out. So the first thing that we need to do here is to multiply this u squared with negative 3. So I'm going to multiply these two together. So this will give us negative 3u. And that's the one that we write on top of the diamond. So I'm going to do the diamond here. So again, we're using box and diamond to factor this out. So whatever is the product of these two, which in this case is negative 3u squared, I put it on top of the diamond. And the middle term here will go to the bottom of the diamond, which is 2u. Now we are going to figure out the factors of negative 3, such that if we add them, it's a positive 2. So I'm going to go ahead and write the factor tree on the side here. So that is negative 3. That's the number that I got here. So we remember that if a number is negative, the two factors would be a positive and a negative, or it can be a negative and a positive. So we go ahead and write down the factors of 3. So that would be 1 and 3. These are the only factors for 3. So we can go ahead and say plus and minus for this. And again, remember, if it's a negative, it will also have a negative and a plus. So these are the possible factors for 3. Now we're going to figure out which of these two factors that we got here will, when we add them, it's going to give us a 2u. So in this case right here, this 2 here when added together will equal to positive 2u. And so we can go ahead and write these two on the side of the diamond here. I'm going to go ahead and write negative u, so that's negative 1u, and positive 3u. So I'm going to go ahead and construct the box. So these are the ones that we write on the box. The first one is the first term, which is u squared. I put it here. The last term, which is negative 3. I put it here. The red factors that I got from the diamond, I'm going to go ahead and put it anywhere on the diagonal. So I'm just going to go ahead and say 3u here and the negative u here. So we can go ahead and say that we can write u and u here. So u times u is u squared. So this should be negative 1. So u times negative 1 is negative u. And this is a positive 3. 3 times u is 3u. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So these are the factors of this u expression that we have up there. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that down below here. So that is u minus 1 times u plus 3. Now we remember that at the beginning, we set u to be equal to 5 to the power 2x. So we're going to plug this 5 to the power 2x back into the u here so that we can go ahead and rewrite this as 5 to the power 2x, which was the u, minus 1 times the u again is 5 to the power 2x. I got that again from here. And then we get a plus 3. And so we can simplify this further since we say 5 squared is 25. So then this can also be written as 25 to the power x minus 1. And that is 25 because 5 squared is 25 to the power x plus 3. So these are the factored form for this given expression that we have up there. So that is how we factor this given expression using the substitution method and the box and diamond method.